Let's learn! Pets!
Look, it's a dog. The dog says woof woof. Can you say dog? Here is a cute cat. The cat loves to play. Meow. Say hello to a cat. Oh, look at the hamster. It's eating a yummy seed. Munch, munch. Hamster. Hop, hop, hop. It's a rabbit. Look at those long ears. Say, rabbit. Glug, glug. It's a goldfish. It swims in the water. Can you spot the goldfish? Wow, a colorful parrot. It has big beautiful wings. Squawk. Say, parrot. This is a turtle. The turtle walks very so fluffy. It's a guinea pig. It sounds like week week. Say, guinea pig. Look at the green lizard. It has sticky feet. Stick, stick. Say, lizard. Squeak, squeak. It's a tiny mouse. The mouse loves cheese. Mouse. Subscribe for more.